Welcome everyone. Today I introduce you with the Krea AI. This is really awesome for image creation, video generation, and the real-time AI generation, enhancer, and many more. We'll discover everything, and if you are landing on this page, you'll get this flux high quality generate image. Okay, first we're gonna create a real-time image. So compose image, come here, you get this interface. If I change anything, then you will see here automatically change. Grand theater in a forest, animal, actors in a style akin into. Right now I am to change with animal to man. Here you can see it's automatically changed. Okay, now I want to give here another prompt, that is a cat cooking lasanga. A cat cooking lasanga. Wearing cooking dress. Here you can see it's real time changing. With his friends. You can see his friends near to him. You can see a cat cooking lasanga, wearing cooking dress with his friend near to him. And you can sense this by this. If I change here, then you can see it automatically changes one by one. If I change here, then you will see another shapes. If you want to delete it, then it will work like this. And if we, in the middle, and I can see the canvas background. Into color, then it will be change the background color. Okay, we change it. You can see green screen. If I change the background as a photo, I can do it. Okay, you can see if you want to change background like this. Okay, you can see, and I want to change also an texture, and I like it using texture. It will provide a high quality background using the texture. You can see it's the real time changing. Okay, we can also use illustration. Okay, that's cool, right? And after that, you can download this. You like it? Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we are going to edit an image. So first of all, we have to upload image. I upload an image. We all know the man is messy, and as you can see, first select change region, card object, add image, then generate. Okay. You can select the area where you want to, or you change a region. First I have to select, then change a region. In his leg I want to add a football. Football. Okay. Okay. Here you can see generating. Okay. You can see a football is generated previous time and now. See, a football is generated. Okay. I want to give him award of Ballon d'Or for his performance. Okay. Here you can see it's it's not guess the Ballon d'Or, but it's give an award. Okay, now I'm to add him a medal. Okay, now try it again. Okay, here you can see medal. You can add anything as you want. Okay. Card object if you don't want this. You want to change his hand bigger or lower. Now you can enhance image. So you can here you can see extra space, and also you can see extra space. And if I create or generate, if we click on generate, then it will automatically detect the extra space background and make it to similar like this. Here you can see. It's really cool, right? I really like this enhance feature. Okay. Or you can simply drag and drop your image here. I'm going to enhancer and click enhance. If you want to enhance the resolution, then you can do it 2x, I mean upscale. It's enhancing. This may take a few minutes. There's a huge traffic on this side. It will take. One more thing I want to show you, that is uses percentage, and if we go to profile, then you can see you can use Here you can see, good morning, you are on the Krea free plan and you have used this of your daily compute budget. Okay, now I'm going to here and see the result. It's processing. After processing, I'll be back. After enhance, the quality is very good. And now we want to show another model, that is 10 model, 10-year model. Upload 3 or more images of the same style, face or object. Generate infinite selfie products, photos or your own visual style. Krea AI analyze your images and tries to learn feature in a few minutes. Now I upload this. Okay, here's 3D image from here is 3D image for Messi. Okay, I upload this. I'm uploading 1, 2, 3. Okay. Messi saucer game. Okay. This tiny run follows Krea. Okay. Now I upgrade your plan. For 10-year model, you have to upgrade your plan. So I can train my model. If you upgrade your plan, then you will do this. So thanks for today. Hope you enjoy this video.